Hello friends, welcome to the channel, and today the video is about habits of recommended versus not recommended candidates. So stay tuned with this video. You will definitely get some valuable information regarding the habits which you should pertain to get recommended in SSB and got the selection as an officer in the elite forces. So before proceeding, let's have an introduction of the video. Life is such a game which is full of failures and achievements. Somewhere we perform very well and somewhere we lax. And this lacking is somewhat related to our some habits which should be improved upon a time so that we can achieve success. And as a point of view of SSB, we can say that SSB is just part of a life and not a life. One gets recommended and other gets not recommended. Recommendation or not recommendation are not the parameter of successful life. It's something you deserve as per your belief. One should not be disheartened after non-recommendation or be overconfident after recommendation. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई रिकमेंड हो गया तो भाई कोई कद्दू में तीर मार दिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. और जो नॉट रिकमेंड हुआ है उसको ये भी सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि भाई कुछ मेरे में कोई कमी है, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. Because it is just a part of life. So take it as a game. And gentlemen, balance your life and do well. Result is always depicted on your well doings. So here come the first slide in which the habit of a not recommended candidate is shown as invest in entertainment. A not recommended candidate mostly invest in an entertainment. And people who invest more in entertainment rather than education, their thought process and mindset becomes more inclined towards fantasy. They live in imagination. And we can take an example that in GP, these people give Rajnikant plans, those movie plans, far away from practical approach. Likewise, they do in other tasks also. May I know who are the gentlemen who have invested pretty well towards SSB preparation during lockdown amid COVID-19 situation, and those who had wasted their time in watching some web series and other things? I say that entertainment is must, but the amount should be limited. You have to set particular hours for your entertainment and other hours for your SSB preparation or the preparation of any exam which you will face. And the case of recommended candidate invest in education and skill development. Skill development means that he try to do a thing in particular manner which in turns gives practical solutions of the problems. So don't try to mug up things like cramming. Try to solve practically, think practically, then only you can succeed. Not recommended candidates think either or. They think either or of the situation and got confused and face difficulty in taking quick decision making. Like in command task, they will stuck themselves in few options without comprehensive approach because their fight will be only with those two options only. They didn't think of the third option or other option, how they can solve that particular problem. And likewise, a recommended candidate think all. They think in comprehensive manner with practical mindset and take quick decisions with practical solutions of problem. Not recommended candidate think in terms of problem, not in terms of solution. They only think of problem and not think about the solutions they can find of that problem. And that's why they face difficulty in taking the decisions. They will find it difficult to perform problem solving tasks as their approach will not lead to solutions. But on the other hand, recommended candidates thinks in terms of solutions. They think for a solution to a problem by thinking in all directions with comprehensive and practical mindset, which helps them to take very good decisions at the time of solving a problem. Next one, not recommended candidate avoid physical exercises. This is most important, and many people lack at this particular juncture because they hardly play outdoor games and avoid physical and mental exercises. They become dependent on virtual gaming world. This nonsense things, virtual gaming world, they uh, just indulge in that particular activity. This not only makes them lazy but also deteriorate their mental muscles, जो हमारे मस्तिष्क के अंदर मसल्स हैं, जो हमें एक अच्छी थिंकिंग बनाने में सहायता करती हैं, उनको वो खराब कर रहे हैं मोबाइल में गेम्स खेल खेल के। तो इसलिए थोड़ा बाहर निकलो, खेलो कूदो। अभी थोड़ा लॉकडाउन है तो उस वजह से घर के अंदर ही आप एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं, योगा कर सकते हैं, मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट है वो रेगुलर फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करता है। रेगुलर वर्ड यहाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि रेगुलरिटी इज द की टू सक्सेस। They engage themselves in regular physical and mental workout by performing yoga, meditation, and playing outdoor games. These not only help in performing well in individual obstacles, but also improves their way of thinking and taking decision in a broader sense, in a comprehensive approach. Next one. A not recommended candidate always blame people or situation for their shortcomings or drawbacks. They least bother about their weaknesses. But on the other hand, recommended candidate take responsibility. They are fully conscious towards their responsibility and never ever think any other person or situation responsible for their shortcomings. In turn, they work harder to overcome their weaknesses. They do SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis I will discuss further in my next video about the SWOT analysis, that how can you judge your weaknesses and strengths. So stay tuned with this channel. And next one, not recommended candidate play in comfort zone. वो एक तालाब का मेंढक बन के रह जाता है जो not recommended candidate है. They prefer to avoid difficult situations and like to do easy tasks. Homesickness is their main feature. They can't move without external support. This is well known fact that SSB is not हलवा. वो हलवा नहीं है कि जो आप आसानी से गड़प कर जाओ. One has to work harder to meet difficult situations in life. So, recommended candidate take calculative risks. They always prefer to face new challenges and difficult situations with the support of their confidence, zeal, and hard work with moral values. They never take blind risks but see its pros and cons, then act accordingly. Next one. Not recommended candidate depends on formal education. Formal education is main pillar in one's childhood, but it cannot work throughout the life. Some practical approaches and development of own thought is necessary to build ideas for further development in life. So the skills has to be developed by the candidate to face SSB. Because recommended candidate always invest in self-education. After completion of formal education, it is necessary to promote thoughts and ideas to move forward in practical life. And these people work harder to establish their confidence, belief, and mindset for self-introspection. Self-introspection is key. You have to introspect your weaknesses, your strengths, and work accordingly for attainment of your objectives and then goals. So next one is that not recommended candidate has short-term goals in life. They are bothered to become an officer and never think beyond that, keeping limited thoughts in their kitty. There is difference between objectives and goals. Objectives are the steps. वो सीढ़ियां हैं जो हम चढ़ के अपने गोल को अचीव करते हैं. Goal is broader. So recommended candidates have long-term goals. This category always think beyond becoming an officer to cope up with their assigned and non-assigned duties. They are the real heroes in our society and always dedicated to the difficult situations. Their service is always selfless. कभी भी पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट के लिए काम मत कीजिए, सेल्फलेस होके काम कीजिए, देखो कितना मजा आएगा। तो आइए एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं ये हैबिट्स। रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट की जो हैबिट्स हैं उसमें वो एजुकेशन में इन्वेस्ट करता है, वो ब्रॉडर सेंस में सोचता है और वो सॉल्यूशन की टर्म्स में सोचता है, रेगुलर फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेज करता है, वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ लेना जानता है और वो रिस्क लेना जानता है अपने काम को फुलफ़िल करने के लिए। वो सेल्फ एजुकेशन में बिलीव करता है और उसके जो गोल्स हैं वो बहुत ही लॉन्ग टर्म होते हैं। सो इन सब को अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में ढालने की कोशिश कीजिए ताकि आपको ज़रूर सक्सेस मिले आपकी अपकमिंग एसएसबी में। और दोस्तों, मैंने एक वीडियो भी बनाई हुई है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ योगा इन एसएसबी, वो ज़रूर देखिएगा क्योंकि आपको उससे फिज़िकल और मेंटल जो आउटलुक है आपका वो सुधरेगा। So at the end, I would like to conclude this video, and I can conclude that if we inculcate the above mentioned habits of recommended candidates, not only we can improve our chances to clear SSB, but also make us a good human in terms of all round development, uh, be it moral development, moral values development, or physical development, or mental development. So please try to uh, inculcate these habits in you, because this will make you a good human being. And in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, I would like to boost up the aspirants to make full utilization of the opportunity, as all of us are sitting at home due to lockdown and have sufficient leisure time. So fully utilize this time and never say die spirit should be in your mind, and you have to accept the challenges cheerfully. Hashtag selection. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.